Hi again, Craig Trafford here from soundchildren.co.uk, and I'm here with your 10-minute summer school activity number 3, Round and Round the Village. This activity, you're going to need plenty of clear space, so a hall might be a good place to be doing this. And really take some portable instruments with you. I've got one of our beautiful bamboo buzzers. It's fantastic noise. One of my favourite sounds for sound children and drums for school instruments is my bamboo buzzer. You get them in all shapes and sizes, but one of the reasons I've taken this one to use today is so that you can get a clear sense of the timing when we're just in the playing part of the activity rather than any singing going on. So, Round and Round the Village, when we're singing the chorus bit, which is Round and Round the Village, we're walking in lots of different directions. And we don't have to walk fast, we don't even have to walk in time to the music, but what we're doing is we're walking in different directions. Now you may find it easier to have everybody going in the same direction. That's fine, whatever works for you really. And then we're going to ask a question. So the verse would be, can you play your instrument? And that's not a kind of request to do it at that time. After we've asked the question, we'll just be singing that verse, sorry. After we've sung that question, we'll have 4 bars in which we can just play the instrument. But we're going to add the element of balance, so we'll be playing the instrument again, standing on one leg. For a whole 16 claps or 16 counts. It'll become clear hopefully as we go along. Okay. So I'm just going to put this down for the moment while we go through our method that we're working with over these 10-minute summer school videos, and it's the clap it, say it, sing it, play it method. Okay, so the rhythm for this, in the PDF that hopefully you've downloaded by now, you'll see that it says moderate pace. So I would call a moderate pace something like this. So again, we're going to clap in 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Okay. Why not just have a go at everybody walking around and clapping at that pace? See how that goes. So, and see if they start matching the steps with the clapping, or whether they can clap at a different pace than they're walking. It's just really good to notice how comfortable or otherwise people feel with it. Okay. So now we're going to say the song in time to the clapping. So, should sound something like this. I'm going to count us in for 4 before coming in with the clapping. So I'll count in for 4, we'll clap for 4, and then we'll bring the song in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round and round the village, round and round the village, round and round the village, as we have done before. Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? Will you play some more? Then you're going to have space for the actual playing of the instrument. Okay, now let's sing the melody. So as usual, let's have facilitator doing the clapping the beat, as well as singing the melody to the students, and then the students just need to really learn the melody. So it should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round and round the village, round and round the village, round and round the village, as as we have done before. Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? And will you play some more? And that's where we'll be playing for 4 bars afterwards. Now a bar, as I might have explained before, is just 4 counts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1 bar. Okay, so that's 1 bar, or one cluster, if you like, of 4 beats. Okay, so we're going to do 4 of those. So let's do the whole thing, this time with instruments. So we'll pick up instruments towards the end. Now in class or in setting, it's whatever's going to work for you. So do the easiest method. I think it's probably going to be easiest to walk around. That's how I usually do it when I'm taking my sessions. Everybody walking around, holding their instrument in one hand, but singing and getting ready. So they would need to stop in position in order to sing the second verse. Okay, so you would stop at the end of the chorus, and then you would sing the first verse or any subsequent verse wherever you are, and then play your instrument at the end. And then chorus comes along, we start all over again. So let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round and round the village, round and round the village, round and round the village, as we have done before. Stop. Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? Can you play your instrument? And will you play some more? Pick them up and round the village. So hopefully that gives you an idea of where you can go with this. Again, you don't always have to copy exactly what I do. I would suggest maybe going a little bit slower than, call it a slow to moderate pace while you're learning it. And there are lots of variations you can do. You can hop around the village, you can stride around the village, you can baby step around the village, you can even jump around the village. Lots and lots of different ways of moving the body and then coming to balance. So ideally what we're doing, there are lots and lots of activities going on, lots and lots of different movements happening, and then we're bringing everything to a point of stop, and then we're moving to a point of balance. So really we're moving, stopping, balancing, and that's what the body's doing, moving, stopping, balancing, and developing skills at quite an extraordinary rate really. But there's no pressure on anybody. Just enjoy. It may take quite a few weeks to get this whole activity fully integrated, but you can have loads of fun getting there. So hopefully you'll leave your comments, let us know how you're getting on, and if you feel like posting, please post a video, or you get in touch with me, craig@soundchildren.co.uk, and I'll let you know how you can post a video to us. And you can also email me your comments, craig@soundchildren.co.uk. And please take a look at our websites, where we've got a fantastic array of world-class world musical instruments for you to have a look at and have a listen to. See you at the next 10 Minute Summer School.